Hi everyone!
Hello, welcome back to Abstract Almond.
We are headed to Zion National Park to Utah for a 4-day weekend.
Woohoo!
Woo! Today's Thursday and we just left around noon from LA area and we're headed to Utah. I used to say, Amanda used to make fun of me of how I say Utah. So I hope you guys accept the way I'm saying it, and maybe I'm saying it right.
I never made fun of you. I thought it was terribly cute.
Okay, so Utah. Okay, we're headed to Utah.
We just got to our hotel in Springdale and we just checked in, and who was here to greet us but a cute little family of deer. It was pitch black last night when we got to the hotel, and we were shocked when we walked out of our hotel this morning to this beautiful view.
Good morning, everybody. Here we are in the beautiful Zion National Park. We slept in a little bit, classic Abstract Almond style, and now we are here and we're ready to get going. We went to the Zion Adventure Company and we rented 2 e-bikes. We also have wet shoes and socks and wet pants so that we can go and hike the Narrows. And we have our lovely hiking poles right here, very high tech, as you can tell.
The pedestrian entrance to the park is about a quarter of a mile before the car entrance and is surrounded by gift shops and gear rentals. To get to the Narrows, from the visitor center, pedestrians have to take the Paros Trail to the Scenic Drive. Once you get to the Scenic Drive, you walk or bike alongside the road until you get to the Zion Lodge and the Emerald Pools hike, which we did on day 2. If you stay on the Scenic Drive, you'll hit the grotto next, before making your way past Weeping Rock, Big Bend, and finally to the Narrows Trailhead, which is called Temple of Sinawava. This is the last stop on the park shuttle. From there, it's about a 30-minute hike next to the Virgin River to the beginning of the Narrows. Along the way, you'll be met with some of the most breathtaking views in the world.
All right, on our way to the Narrows.
Let's get ready to narrow.
Let's narrow it down.
All right.
Welcome to paradise. It is challenging to put the pants, the socks, and the boots on. We're entering the Narrows. It's cool. Very unique.
Interesting.
I'm glad we got our boots and the socks and everything. We'll show you a 360 view, and then we'll keep you informed. All right, we're in the deep end, the deep swamp.
It's very deep
We're in
here.
this deep.
And it's cold.
Yeah. So over there is really cool too. That's where we came from, and that's where we're headed. I'm dancing in the deep. Woo-hoo. Oh, she crossing. All right, we're somewhere, maybe close to Wall Street. But it's a really nice area.
Like this beautiful canyon.
Yeah,
I wish you could all be here with us so you could see the colors.
yeah. We reached a good stopping point. We're gonna get some lunch. Sandwiched with some taro chips?
Carrot chips.
Taro chips.
This is an excellent location for a nap.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
We're headed back. Look at this view though. Yeah.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Abstract Almond. It's day 2 here at Zion National Park. We got up and had our breakfast burritos, and now we are getting ready to hike from the Visitor Center to the Zion Lodge area where we plan to do the Emerald Pools hike. Let's get going!
So we're on the Paris Trail. We wanted to share with you this beautiful 360 panorama. It's just so beautiful and peaceful, so I'll let you enjoy it. So we're still on the Paris Trail. We decided to take a quick 2-3 minute stop right here at this little oasis. How do you love this? Nah, it's really, really awesome. The water is so beautiful. The tree colors, the leaves, and the mountains. All right, about 2 hours later, we made it to the lodge. The Emerald Pools hike is right across, but we decided to take a short break to catch our breath, have a little snack, and stretch. Want to say hi to the camera? Alright, I'll show you. The lodge is very, very pretty. Oh dear. On our way to Emerald Pools.
Bridge, and I'll take a picture of that one.
All right, I think we've made it to the lower Emerald Pool.
That's right. The water level's a little low right now, but we're gonna go explore and see what we can find.
And we'll see the upper pool too. Ta-da! You even get a little wet under the mist. And then there's another one over there. Really nice. Refreshing after the very hot hike up.
It's nice and
It's refreshing. And then we can see here, if I don't trip.
we're singing in the rain. We're singing in the rain.
All right, where were we? This is the middle pool, right?
This is Middle Emerald Pools.
And now we're going up to the upper pool. All right, upper Emerald Pool. It's a very cool little oasis here at the top. Time to get some rest, some food, and then we'll be heading back down.
Pro tip, Zion at sunset is gorgeous. All right, we just finished
Yeah, we're done with
Emerald Pools.
Pools. We're done with the lodge. Headed back down for the most beautiful walk in the world.
Back down into Springdale.
The scenic drive during sunset.
All right. Bye, guys.
We leave you here with a view of Zion Canyon at sunset. Tiger, hi. Are you so happy we're home? We missed you so much. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.